Have you ever wondered how people create these amazing underground rooms using AI? And do you know that they're completely free to create? I've posted a similar video like this on my channel before, but I'm doing it again to help you understand it more clearly and truly benefit from it. In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how you can create an underground room of your choice using just prompts from ChatGPT and Grok AI. Don't swipe off yet, because the process is really easier than it looks. Let's get started. You'll find a master prompt in the description of this video. It is slightly long, but don't worry. All you need to do is copy everything and paste it into ChatGPT. Once you paste it into ChatGPT, it will automatically give you different options and ask you what type of underground space you want to create. You'll see several options such as gaming room, underground nightclub, wine cellar, luxury bedroom, underground gym, and many more. So the choice is completely up to you. This master prompt is designed in a very smart way, so with just one prompt, you can generate many different underground transformation ideas. For this video, I'll be creating an underground nightclub, so I'll simply type underground nightclub and send it to ChatGPT. Once I send that, ChatGPT will generate a very detailed prompt that we will use to create our video. This prompt will contain one image generation prompt and multiple video generation prompts. Step 1. Generate the base image. Before we can generate the video, we first need to create the underground base image. To generate this image, you can use different AI tools such as Grok AI, Leonardo AI, Gemini, or any AI image generator of your choice. But for this tutorial, we'll be using Whisk AI. The good thing about this website is that image generation here is completely free. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the full image prompt that it generated, then paste that prompt into Whisk AI. Make sure to set the aspect ratio to 9:16 since we want the video to be optimized for YouTube Shorts or TikTok. After a few seconds, your images will appear. From there, simply select the image you like the most and click download. And if you're not satisfied with the generated images, you can always click generate again until you get the perfect one. Step 2. Generate the first video. Now let's start generating the video scenes. For this part, we'll be using Grok AI. Head over to Grok AI, then go to the Imagine section. Click Upload Image, and upload the base image that we just downloaded from Whisk AI. Once the image is uploaded, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt. Then return to Grok AI. Change the setting from Make Image to Make Video. Also make sure the aspect ratio is set to 9:16. Now paste the first video prompt and click Generate. After a short time, your first construction scene video will be ready. If you like the result, go ahead and download it. If you're not satisfied with it, you can simply click Regenerate until you get a better version. Before downloading the final version, click on the 3 dots and select Upscale to improve the video quality. Once the upscaling is finished, click Download. Step 3. Preparing the next scene. Now open the video you just downloaded, go to the last frame of the video, take a screenshot, and then crop it into portrait ratio, 9:16. This screenshot will now become the reference image for generating the second video. The reason we do this is because it helps the AI continue the construction process smoothly from where the previous video stopped. Step 4. Generate the next video. Now go back to Grok AI again. Upload the screenshot image you just captured. Once the image is uploaded, switch the mode to Make Video, and again, make sure the aspect ratio is set to 9:16. Now return to ChatGPT and copy the second video prompt. Paste that prompt into Grok AI and click Generate. The AI will create multiple versions of the video. If you don't like the result, simply click Regenerate until you find one that looks good. Once you're satisfied with the video, upscale it for better quality, then download it. Step 5. Repeat the process. Now repeat the same process again. Capture the last frame of the new video, crop it to 9:16, and use it as the reference image for the next stage of construction. Continue doing this until all construction stages are completed. By the end of this process, you will have multiple clips showing the underground transformation step by step. Step 6. Editing the final video. After generating all the clips, open any video editing software of your choice. For this tutorial, I'll be using CapCut. Simply import all the generated clips and merge them together in order so the transformation flows smoothly. You have 2 options here. You can either leave the original AI audio, or you can add your own background music to make the video more engaging and cinematic. Another interesting thing you can do is go back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a detailed storyline explaining each scene in the video. This can make your video more engaging and storytelling driven. And that's basically it. I hope this tutorial helps you create powerful and amazing underground transformation videos using AI. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future content. And trust me, if you stick with me and the secrets inside my smart box, in just a few months you could become an AI creation expert.